In order to create a Feng Shui living room, it is important to prioritize a balanced and positive atmosphere. This can be accomplished by minimizing clutter, carefully arranging furniture to facilitate good energy flow, and including all 5 Feng Shui elements. Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese practice designed to keep positive kai and establish balance and harmony between you and your environment, including your living space. Feng Shui experts believe that good Feng Shui incorporates the 5 elements that include wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Each of these 5 elements has its own set of colors, shapes, textures, and qualities that can be used to bring balance to your living room. Things to pay attention to when designing a Feng Shui living room. Clutter in their space. To begin, it is important to create a clutter-free living room. Furniture placement. Next, carefully consider the arrangement of furniture in your living room. The right furniture. Selecting furniture that's both functional and stylish is the next step toward creating a Feng Shui living room. Color scheme. According to the Feng Shui principles, certain colors can evoke specific emotions and energies. Focal points. Typically, your living room's focal point is opposite to its main entrance and can draw the eye and bring positive energy into the room. Lighting. The lighting in the living room should be warm and soft to create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. Decorative elements. Decorative elements in your living room Feng Shui should be carefully chosen to help create a positive energy flow. Personal touches. Adding personal touches to your living room decor is the last step in creating a Feng Shui living space. Natural elements. Natural elements should be a focus in your living room. Decoration is a crucial component of Feng Shui. Overall, with these tips on decorating a Feng Shui interior design can create a balanced space with an atmosphere of balance, flow, and uplifting energy.